always good to hear about breweries and beer, I have to say, and a nice free offer. So now calling Aoife Gillen to talk about the experience of Foyle Food Group, and Aoife's role is quite wide-ranging as the environmental coordinator, carbon footprinting, IPPC licence, sustainability, performance, energy management projects, and is also the person responsible for the board BS Origin Green Charter. And one of the targets was zero waste to landfill by 2015. There's also some key energy KPIs there, and your energy efficiency covers electricity, water, gas, oil and waste. So, and you've got an anaerobic digester plant as well. Fantastic. Over to you, Aoife.
Thanks very much, and hello everybody. My name is Aoife Gillen and I am the Group Environmental Coordinator in Foyle Food Group. So I've just been invited here today to give like an overview really of what we've been doing in the line of sustainability and environmental management. So our journey towards sustainability really began nearly a decade ago when we implemented the ISO 14001 environmental management standard across the group. Since then, environmental management has become a key part of how we make decisions across the company, and it's really become embedded in the group. Similar to our traceability, our sustainability goes from farm to fork. In the beef industry, this is a very important concept as the highest environmental demand occurs on farm. Ensuring our animals have a good life from farm to fork ensures that we have business longevity and sustainability going into the future. So just a bit of background. We are a family-run company now in our 4th generation. Our core business focuses on the slaughtering and deboning of beef products, and we have the capacity to process over 300,000 animals per year. We have 9 facilities across the UK and Ireland, and from a resource productivity perspective, the higher the throughput, the more efficient we are. Here's just a short video to show a bit about what we do and where our beef comes from. carbon footprint of how our beef gets to our final customer. Ensuring optimum lorry load fills and group haulage reduces the CO2 involved in terms of carbon miles. And that's just a bit about the foil food group. As mentioned already, all sites hold the ISO 14001 approval, which we've had now for nearly a decade. We have also went a step further and created our very own unique seal of approval known as BREEO. The BREEO concept focuses on the reduce, reuse and recover. Here we reduce our electricity, our gas, our water and our waste. Last year we were also delighted to gain Origin Green verification for our Foyle Donegal site, and hopefully in the next month we will also have ISO 50001 certification. So from what you've learned already, sustainability has been going on for the last 10 years and is well embedded within our company. Verifications, as I said, such as Origin Green 14001, shows our ongoing commitment to sustainability and encourage us to keep up the good work. The value of sustainability to the Foyle Food Group. I recall my very first meeting with our CEO, Terry Atkinson, and he said nearly 20 years ago, people laughed at the idea of sustainability. A lot's changed since then, and over the last 10 years, we've really seen the economical and environmental benefit to implementing sustainable environmental practices across the group. It is now top of their agenda and a key part of how we run the business. From it, we've seen significant cost savings, waste prevention, lean management, improved efficiency, reduced carbon footprint, and improved employee health and well-being. So if we go back to the start, i.e. where our beef comes from, the farmers, the Foyle Food Group, as you've always established already, we have a very strong relationship with our farmers. This is evident in the beef improvement groups we run on site. Here, discussions around grassland management, water conservation, they're all key areas for focus. Our Foyle Producer website brings all the learning from these meetings to all our suppliers. Farmers can log in from the comfort of their own home and see what's going on, what's the latest practices, can we implement them, how to go about it. Another note, over 85% of our suppliers are come from beef that are Board BIA quality assured. Part of that assurance focuses on the environmental kind of management at farm level. We also have participation in the Beef Technology Adoption Programme. This here allows farmers to be more sustainable in their practices. Sustainability for us is about looking into the future, and in the Foyle Food Group we had the foresight to recognise the importance of the youth of today. Mahra and Afermia often visit all our sites, and we are a proud sponsor of the organisation. Students from all disciplines, such as food, IT, agriculture, pay visits to our sites in order to understand the process and appreciate where their food comes from. These relationships are crucial to the future sustainability of the company. Now I will touch on energy and water reduction within the group. Energy reduction would not have been successful if it was not for our live energy monitoring software coming from Epicensor and Resourcecraft. Using this, we can constantly monitor where and how we are using our energy and water. By doing this, it allows us to focus our time and resources in all the applicable areas. For example, electricity, which you can see here. In 2013, the installation of a smart chilling system means our beef is chilled in a more graduated manner, reducing the amount of electricity used. Presently, refrigeration still accounts for 60% of our electricity usage, so this is a significant energy user which we will continue to focus on and get more savings. The review is currently underway, and from my point of view, not only will it generate electricity savings, but will also reduce chill loss, which is important in terms of beef yields. We currently have a group aim of a 5% reduction by the end of 2015, which we are on track to achieve. Fuel reduction has been a major win for the group, moving away from the likes of tallow and heavy fuel oil to LPG, namely Keller gas. We have made significant savings. All our gas boilers also operate at over 95% efficiency. This is crucial for continuous savings. We also have implemented loads really of energy and water reduction projects across the group, both of which kind of coincide. If we cut down our hot water usage, we cut down our gas, we cut down our water, and we cut down our final trade effluent. In Donegal alone, we have saved over 650,000 kilograms of CO2 per annum. This can be attributed to the likes of on-demand sterilisers and hand-washing stations, alongside a high-efficiency, high-pressure, low-volume water system. As you can see here, water reduction in Foyle Donegal has been a real success this year, with over 30% saving. We have went from using over 1,000 cubes a week to just over 650 cubes, and we've also seen further savings since this graph was made. So how did we do it? Well, with the implementation of a rainwater harvesting system, a high-pressure lorry wash area, improved cleaning and tripe washing, on-demand sterilisers and hand-washing stations, and the recycling of treated wastewater, we were able to not only cut our water usage, but keep it at that reduced level. Carbon footprinting. Back in 2012, our carbon footprint was 176 kilos of CO2 per tonne of beef produced. In 2014, this had reduced to 161 kilos per tonne of beef output. This represents a 9% reduction, and year to date, we've already seen that our carbon footprint is 155 kilos per tonne of beef. As part of our Origin Green Plan, we predict that we will reduce our carbon footprint by another 10% in the coming years. Waste prevention has always been central to our sustainability commitment, so much so that we are proud to say that 100% of the animal is used with zero waste. This picture shows a very small me in front of our very own anaerobic digestion plant, Foyle Bio in Campsie. We are also a zero waste to landfill site. Foyle Bio now handles all our Category 2 animal byproduct waste such as belly grass and puts it through the anaerobic digestion process to produce gas. This biogas is burned in our CHP to create electricity, which provides over 60% of our Foyle Campsie electricity demand. The end product from the AD process is a nutrient-rich liquid which can be used as a biofertiliser. The process also saves a further 1,700 tonnes of CO2 per annum for the group. Overall, the project has been a massive success. So far, we have looked at two aspects of sustainability from the Foyle Food Group: the raw material supply and the manufacturing processes. The third element is as important as the other two, it being social sustainability. At this point, I'd like to thank my director for putting me up in a really nice hotel last night. So social sustainability, employee well-being. Throughout the group, social sustainability in terms of health and well-being is addressed through committee groups. For example, the health and well-being, there's something not shown there, but I'll just go through it anyway. The Health and Safety Committee, we have them running on site. We have charitable giving and sponsorship. Employees come throughout the year and ask for sponsorship for various good causes, which we like to donate and help towards. Subsidised healthy canteens throughout the group, life assurance for everyone, and ongoing training and development. All of these fractions contribute to improved employee health and well-being, creating a strong and positive workforce. Our employees are seen as assets, and through the above, we acknowledge their importance and increase the sustainability of our company into the future. Student placements and graduate programmes have become a key initiative within the group. We are now in our 4th year of the Graduate Academy, with new technical, agricultural and IT graduates joining the team this year. Through the graduate programme, individuals are placed in a comprehensive management training programme with placements in a range of departments. There are also long-term career prospects within the group. We welcome students from local colleges and universities to partake in work experience, many of which return annually. The sustainability team has been a vital part of our journey in terms of Origin Green and environmental management. Members of the team come from all levels and all departments to generate greater buy-in and ideas on how best to reduce our energy and water. To date, we have worked together to find innovative water and, as I said, energy projects. A presentation is then given to everybody involved and sent out in email. It is also played in the canteen and throughout the production floors to get everybody on board. It is a great buy-in mechanism. The future is bright for the Foyle Food Group and sustainability. The key areas for focus are raw material sourcing, employee health and well-being, resource and waste reduction. Those of you familiar with Origin Green will recognise these as key components within the Charter, which we are committed to improving. Finally, I'd like to thank you all for listening, and please check out our website for more information. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much indeed, Aoife.